of the major advantages of the Python programming language is its vast array of available modules. Modules are code that has already been written that we can import and use. Modules usually include code specific to one theme. For instance, the datetime module includes code relating to date and time conversions. Let's import and use the NUMPY module to see how modules work. First, open up your command prompt or terminal. Then, if you're using the Anaconda Jupyter distribution of Python, type conda install NUMPY. If you're using a different environment, type pip install NUMPY. Now the module will be installed and it will say completed at the bottom. I have already previously installed this module. Once we're inside our environment, we import the module by saying import NUMPY. We can now use all the functions inside the NUMPY module. To make it faster to use, we can import it as NP, which simply changes the name that we will use to call it to NP. To use a function, we say np dot and the function. Let's use the NumPy absolute value function, which returns the absolute value of a number. This covers the basics of importing and using modules. In future lessons, I will cover specific modules such as pandas and matplotlib, so make sure you're subscribed to catch all of them.